Good morning. Today I'm here with Wyatt, who is all sorts of mischief right now, and we are going to be drawing bubble tea.
This is like the biggest brain life hack ever. Just sharpen both your pencils at the
They
same
can't
time.
see that, by the way.
It's
okay.
So all you gotta do is take your sharpener, put
All you
both the
have to
pencils
do,
in, and then just roll it.
And then they probably break. All right,
Yeah,
so
that's
all right, so let's get drawing, sir. Thank you. So we're gonna use black pencils so you guys can see us. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the bottom of the T. And what I do is I do it
upside down rainbow line.
Yeah, it's a line like this. It's a curved line like this. All right, and the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do 2 lines that come up like this. So they're not parallel. They're both coming out like that.
Mine could be one of them when you ask for like the extra large size.
Okay. All right, and the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna connect them, and we're connecting them from starting out here. So we're here, and we're gonna curve that way. Okay.
Wow, this is like an extra large.
It's an extra large, and then we're gonna make 2 lines like a roof of a house, or down and down.
Your house has a roof.
And then we're gonna connect those 2 lines this way.
My house doesn't have a roof.
Yes, it does.
Yours does.
And then
Wait,
what
we
we're
live
gonna
in
do,
the same house.
what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put a little dot in the center. So up here I'm gonna make a little dot.
Boop.
And then boop, and then I'm gonna connect it to there, so it has a dome. Okay, so we have that. Now what we're gonna do is connect from here to here with a line. So here and here, we're gonna connect with a line. I'm not gonna do it the whole way. I'm gonna actually let that middle part kind of disappear. Okay, so next thing, I keep on saying next thing. The next thing is we're gonna draw the straw. Now the straw has to come from the center.
The house, yes.
So you're gonna just draw 1 line coming down like that.
I think my straw is gonna go off the picture a bit.
Okay.
And then comes to extra large.
We're gonna make a parallel line, the extra large, next to it. Good job. Looks good. Alright, so the bottom of the line is going to be closed with a shape that looks kind of like a V in it. It's more of a V than a regular straw. They're kind of pointy. And the top is going to be rounded, and it's going the opposite direction. Now, we know the light is going to come from this side, so while I'm here, I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to shade on this side. Okay, so we did our shading on our straw. We did down here, and now I want to do the shading back here because we know we're imagining the light's coming from here. So you make a J shape.
How do you draw a J?
No. And then I'm going to get darker towards the cup and lighter as it comes out. So it's darker towards the cup, and then get a little bit lighter as you come out.
I know.
Extra dark over there.
I know. Hashtag Shading Pro.
Yeah, Shading Pro. Get a little lighter. Okay, and then while we're here with my black, I'm actually going to block out where I'm going to put my liquid. I'm going to put in a line. I'm going to put this one on an angle. Maybe I'll put an angle. And then I'm just going to draw in. I'm just kind of mimicking this shape that I've already built out. Just got to do the top. I just need to do the top. Good? Mm-hmm. Ooh, that looks good. Alright, so what we want to do now is draw in the bubbles. Now, stop. Stop it! So, what we're going to do is we're going to draw in the bubbles. Now, I will tell you, I don't draw in 8,000 because it's a lot of work. But if you want to, you can.
You're a pro.
So you're drawing in your circles first. Right, for your bubbles, for your bubble tea. I love bubble tea. Do you love it?
Yeah, sound effects on how you draw circles.
Thank you. I'll keep that one. Alright, and then inside the bubbles, we need to shade them. Now, when we're shading them, I like
Make
to
a
draw.
little circle on the left.
Yes, make a little circle on the left, so I know that's the part that I'm not going to shade in.
Wow, how could I already know the step? This is
And then
quite
this-
a mystery.
Yes, and then on the right hand side, I'm going to be darker, and left hand side, I'm going to be lighter. And then I kind of do an extra outline on there.
Subscribe for more amazing sound effects.
Yes, my kids always remind me that I have to say catchphrases like subscribe. What else am I supposed to say?
Like and subscribe.
Okay, thank you. Like and subscribe. Alright, so I'm almost done with my guys. Are you done? You could get, a little more transition between there and there. By the way, even though your drawing is excellent, you could push it a little bit further. No! No! Zip! No! Get off! No! No! No life hacks right now. Finish your drawing. Life hack after. No, 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 no. Be serious. Stop.
Well, what I was going to do for her is my amazing life hack, how to do a smiley face with extra smile. You just take your two pens like that. Then once you have that, you can put one like this and one like that. And then, wow, look at that smile right there.
Mm-hmm. Alright, he's done with his life hacks. Alright, so what we're going to do now is the color. Now, I'm going to do the straw red. Do you want a red?
No.
Okay, so
Coloring
he's
is evil.
gonna do his in black and white. So the red, what you want to do is you're imagining that there's a light here. I'm actually going to change this, so pay attention. So I'm going to give myself a line, another line, just one more. This coming down this way, because I'm going to imagine this is really, the highlight is happening like on this line right there. And then with my red, I'm going to press down really, really hard outside of here. So I'm like, and then on top of that black that we put in before, that shading. And what that does is it gives it like very intense color. And then I'm going in like that. And then I have the highlight on the straw like that. And it makes it pop really well. And then I'm going to do the same thing in here, but I'm not going to press quite as hard.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. I'm not going to press quite as hard inside of here because it would be lighter because it's in that dome. But I am going to press harder on the right-hand side than I am on the left. There may be some mischief going on behind me or next to me. I'm going to ignore it and finish coloring in the straw.
My life hack on how to sharpen pencils.
Ignore this life hack. This is like one of the ones where you're like, oh, no, that doesn't work.
It does.
Sort of.
Look at
You just broke a few pencils, too.
Break some, you make some. Wow, I did not mean to say that, but
What's it from?
no idea.
Okay.
Tired Wyatt is what it's from.
I guess we'll go to sleep early tonight.
No! Groan, moan, sadness. Groan, moan, sadness.
Okay, so you got it? Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is the blue, or purple, or lavender. Both all work. And it's just for a little bit on the top, on the dome. So I'm going to just do, it's like a rainbow line going across like this.
Handshake rainbow lines.
Keep it light. If you're going to do it in black and white, keep it light. Mister. Hello? You listening?
Yes, I
Okay.
am listening.
Sir? And then I'm just going to just shade a little bit into here. And I am going to also go over my straw a little bit. because we're imagining that it's the dome on top of the straw. And I'm going to do a little bit down here. Keep it light.
I am.
And then I'm actually going to use some of this blue into my shadow out here. And
Wow, I really need more shadow.
and
My cup's a lot bigger.
then I'm going to put a little bit of blue into here. This way. To kind of extend my shadow. And then let it get lighter, 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 lighter. You could put any colors into the shadow, which is really kind of fun on that. Alright, so the very last part is the color on the inside. And you can do this a lot of different ways. What type of tea are you having?
Gray tea.
He's having
Actually,
blue.
no, I might put in a color.
Really?
Yes, maybe.
What color?
My flavor is going to be purple.
Purple tea.
Well, no.
Probably
Violetta, Prang.
Sounds good. Alright, so I'm gonna do mine with brown pencil. And I might go over it a little bit with some white pencil too. So I'm gonna do mine brown. I'm gonna have brown tea, which is, I don't know. I figure that's more normal. Alright, that's it.
So I worked a little bit off camera.
Oh yeah, that's what happens. Look, magic. Thanks guys, we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.